Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a cookie banner to your Squarespace website so that visitors can clearly see a disclosure and easily manage their data preferences. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking cookie banner set up, helping you build trust with your audience and stay compliant with privacy regulations like GDPR. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're on your dashboard, look in the left sidebar and click the Settings option. This is really the control center for your website, where all the important features and details live. If you're having trouble finding it, just remember it's usually near the bottom of the menu, represented by a little gear icon. Take your time, no rush here. We want to make sure everything is set up properly. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find something that says Cookies and Data Privacy. Depending on your Squarespace version, the wording might be slightly different, sometimes just data privacy. But you're looking for the section that deals with cookies and disclosure. This is important because this is where you'll be able to control how visitors consent to cookies, tiny files stored on their devices, to personalize and analyze their experience on your site. Go ahead and select Cookies and Data Privacy. Once you're in this section, you should see the option to enable the cookie banner. So, what happens when you turn this on? Well, this little pop-up will appear for anyone landing on your website, alerting them that your site uses cookies and giving them a choice about what they want to allow. This is crucial for user trust and also helps you comply with privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA, which require transparent cookie consent. Enabling this is not just best practice for transparency, it's actually required in many regions, including the European Union. So definitely don't skip this step. Now, right below this setting, there's a crucial option I highly recommend. Enable Decline All button. By default, Squarespace's cookie banner might just have the Accept button or Read More for the cookie policy. But by enabling the Decline All button, you're giving your visitors a real choice. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your site is perceived. Think about it from a visitor's perspective. They have the option to fully opt out or to say yes to cookies. Offering that option makes your site look more transparent and considerate of your users' privacy, which is a huge trust builder. Go ahead and toggle on the Enable Decline All button. This is one of those small details that really matters. It shows that you're thinking about your visitors' preferences, and that goes a long way in building a solid reputation for your brand. If at any point you're unsure of what something means or how it works, don't hesitate to hover over any question marks or info icons for a quick tip. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, just experiment. Squarespace doesn't save changes until you hit save, so you're safe to try things out without worrying about making mistakes. Now, before you leave this page, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. It may feel like a simple task, but it's important to double-check everything. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit Save in the upper right or bottom corner of the page to lock in your changes. And that's it. You did it. You've successfully added a cookie banner to your Squarespace website. To see it in action, visit your site's homepage or open it in a private incognito window to double-check that the banner displays for new visitors. This process only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big impact in terms of protecting your users' data and your website's reputation. Even if your site is just a portfolio or a small blog, that little cookie banner shows you care about your visitors' privacy, and it leaves a great impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below. If you have any questions or run into any issues while setting up your cookie banner, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow Squarespace tutorials and website tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your next great upgrade is just one click away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.